In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fax with DocHub. To get started, open your web browser and search for DocHub. This is the fastest way to get to the platform if you don't already have it bookmarked. When the search results appear, click the correct DocHub link so you land on the official website. Make sure you're opening the real site before moving forward, especially if you're handling important documents. Once you're on the site, sign into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which is where you can access your existing files and create new ones. From here, open the PDF you want to fax. If your file isn't already in DocHub, create a new document and upload your PDF first. This gives you a chance to review everything before sending it out. After the document opens, take a moment to complete anything that still needs to be added. Using the top annotation toolbar, you can fill in text fields, checkboxes, and signatures. This step is especially important if the document needs to be finalized before it's faxed. It's a good idea to scan through each page carefully so you don't accidentally send an incomplete form. When your document is ready, go to the top toolbar and click the File menu button on the left side. Depending on the version of the interface you see, you may instead use the Actions or Share menu in the top right. Both paths are meant to help you access sending options, so just use the one available on your screen. Next, hover over Send, and then select Fax from the list of options. This will open a pop-up window where you can enter the fax details. In that window, type the recipient's fax number, making sure to include the correct country code and area code. Accuracy matters here because even one incorrect digit could send your document to the wrong destination. You'll also have the option to fill out cover sheet fields such as the recipient name, subject line, and comments. This part is optional, but it can make your fax look more professional and easier for the recipient to identify, especially in a busy office environment. Finally, review everything one more time. Double-check the fax number, confirm your document is complete, and make sure any optional cover sheet details look correct. Once everything looks good, click the blue Send Fax or Transmit button to send your fax through DocHub. And that's it. You've successfully prepared and sent a fax using DocHub.